Welcome back to the TerryTracker channel. Today it is the hottest day we've had here in Thailand, and we're heading to the Maeklong train market, the famous Maeklong train market, where the train literally travels up through the middle of the market 8 times a day. So like I say, this is a live train track, and when the train comes through, you literally pull all these back. Everything like that is on wheels, gets pulled back to allow the train to pass. Hopefully there's going to be a train soon and I will be able to show you. So like I say, all these tables are all on their own little tracks to pull them in when the train comes, to get them out of the way.
Be very, very careful.
What I do have to say is, it's a good job we don't have smell-o-vision. It's a bit pongy. Otherwise,
รอตรงนี้นะครับพี่รอตรงนี้นะครับเข้าไปรอในห้องแอร์ก่อนเลยเดี๋ยวนี้เดี๋ยวผมจัดให้ยืนพี่แป๊บเดียวตอนนี้ยังร้อนอยู่รอข้างในเลยครับรอข้างในเลยเราเยี่ยมมาซื้อที่บ้านหรือว่าเนี่ยลูกของเขานี่นะ
Up it goes! Wow. Hey!
Ini
Everybody comes back out. Can I have a hand? Thank you.
Yeah, can you sit inside? Okay.
How crazy was that? And now everything comes back to normal.
Hello, sit inside. Okay, sit inside out. Yes, yes.
And up it goes.
เดินทางจากเราด้วยความปรารถนาดีจากกองบัญชาการตำรวจท่องเที่ยวโทร1155
Attention please. From oncoming or departing trains, please always be aware of standing behind the red line. Standing behind the red line. Police, wish you a safe and enjoyable holiday. Based on any assistance, call police 1155. 観光警察よりご案内いたします。電車発着の際は大変危険ですので、赤い線の内側までお下がりください。素敵な旅へ気をつけていってらっしゃいませ。お問い合わせはお電話で1155番観光警察まで。请注意，火车马上到站。为了您和大家的安全，请站在红线后等待。旅游警察希望您有安全愉快的假期。如有问题，请拨打115。旅游警察为您。
Wow. Hey!
Yeah, can you sit inside? Okay.
As you can see, it's back to being a market again, and the train will be coming back through in about 25 minutes. So where else? Oh, it's went dark. 2 seconds. So where else in the world would you be able to walk to the train station on the tracks right over the train? absolute madness, and I love it. So there you have it, the famous Maeklong train that goes through the marketplace. So there you have it. That was the madness of the Maeklong famous train market here in Amphawa, Thailand. See you all on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.